am Dilshad. I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, India.
Okay, what is your age, Mr. Dilshad?
41.
And what type of job you are looking for, Mr.
I'm
Dilshad?
looking as a material controller, procurement officer, government controller, as well as the project coordinator.
Project coordinator. Okay. What is your basic qualification, Mr. Dilshad?
Graduation in commerce.
You've done commerce graduation. Your certificates are attested.
Yeah, certificate.
Okay. Have you done any course in materials management?
Material management course.
Okay. Total, how many years of work experience you have?
19 years.
So out of this 19 years, how many years in Gulf, Mr. Dilshad, you
9
have
years,
worked?
more than 9 years.
Okay. In which countries have you worked?
Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and UAE.
Okay. And in
Abu Dhabi and Dubai.
Okay, in most of the time, like in what type of companies you were working?
MEP, oil and gas field, and the production, and the automobile section.
Okay, so it's like manufacturing, automobile,
Yeah,
contracting,
yeah, manufacturing.
then oil and gas.
Oil and gas field.
Okay. What is your basic computer knowledge, Mr. Dilshad?
Yeah, diploma in computer. Also have the experience of this SAP in MM module, material management.
Okay, so you are capable to handle work in SAP,
Yeah.
ERP,
Yeah.
materials management, and have you done you have any experience in BIMS?
Yeah, I have also experience in the BIM.
Okay. How good you are with Excel?
Good, that is excellent.
You are good in Excel.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's go a little deeper in your profile, Mr. Dilshad. Can you please tell us, like in 5 basic points in materials control,
Yeah.
what is the main duty that you handle?
Main duty have the first thing that get the PO order.
Okay.
Against the PO order, we order the materials. First thing is the need for the submitter, that is a client approval need for them. If
Okay.
again approval, then we are make the PO, purchase order.
Okay.
And that purchase order get the quotation from the vendors.
Mm-hmm.
Against the vendor, we will make the purchase order for him. Then in the process of the material receiving the date on the as per schedule and as per requirement of your.
Okay. As per the company's requirement, you will arrange the material.
Yeah.
Okay. And you are taking care of all the material delivery.
Yeah, delivery continue on the also check the reports for that one. The
Reports.
Take the QC, our QC checking. Then after QC okay, then the client QC checking that one. Then after that we are hand over to the store for the remaining work for the as per schedule, as per the drawing, as per
Requirements of the sites. Okay, understood. Okay, now let's get to the next topic, which is your procurement.
Yeah.
You also worked as a procurement officer.
Yeah.
So what are the 5 important things that you have managed in purchase?
First thing that we need for the vendors for the searching vendor for the, and again the vendor searching, and then the material, and then our terms and condition.
Okay.
Or the client terms and condition. The both are the equal or not. Price also value of the
price and terms. Okay. Price. And then you are
then make the completive make the most 1, 2, 3 whatever coming from the quotation. Companies make the competitive. Which one is the better? We highlighted that one in competitive. This one the good for your company.
Okay. And then you are monitoring the stock and quality.
Yeah. System quality. One of the most important things is stock and quality, and also safety is the most important things of this work.
Okay. Also taking care of safety of the material.
Safety care is most important.
Okay, got it. Okay, now let's go to the another topic, project coordination. What are the 5 main things that you have handled in project coordination?
Basically, we are working with the electrical field, like making the trench, then using the material like turf, and that on the covers. And we make all the purchases there, and the procurement of the materials and the manpower hiring for the other companies.
Okay.
for the work there.
Hmm.
My responsibility for the arrange the manpower, how many work there, what is the previous report, what is the going the record there. Need for the against the what work doing the tomorrow or the that one the main things. Against the work we are arrange the manpowers.
Hmm.
That kind of work there.
And you're dealing with consultant, contractor,
Consultant,
subcontractor,
yeah,
all that.
subcontractor, then the also client where we meeting with the client, this is what remaining there.
So main 5 things in project coordination is to make sure that the project is running smooth.
When it's smoothly
Number 1.
run the-
Number 2,
running-
you're taking care of timely planning, budgeting,
planning,
allocation of resources.
resources, yeah, there in the-
Okay. Then third is to coordinate with the engineer, consultant, contractor, subcontractor. Then fourth, taking care of project closeout documentation
yeah, and so then the medicine post about this,
and finalize all the process,
project, this, process,
paperwork and documentation. Okay, fine. So, you know, we have a good number of years of experience, Mr. Dilshad.
Yeah.
9 years in Middle East. So I'm sure you you know very well your work, how to take care of it. Fine. So, okay, so here it is, dear viewers, the profile of Mr. Dilshad. He has been working in various companies as a material controller or as a procurement officer, also as a project coordinator. In my opinion, he is not asking for a very high salary. His expectations are very reasonable, which is also negotiable, and he can join immediately your company.
Yeah.
So if you have any vacancy for him, please contact us in the WhatsApp number mentioned below, or send us your vacancy detail by email mentioned in our description, and we will be very happy to arrange interview call of Mr. Dilshad free of cost for your company. Thank you, Dilshad, for coming to Gulf Job Seeker.